Hey readers, welcome back to another video. Today's video is on an old favorite, Charlie and the Chocate Factory by Roald Dahl. This is probably the best book ever written for young readers. It has great characters, fun songs, and a great lesson for children. It just has one of those plots that you'll never forget. Insert a fond sigh here. It's about a boy named Charlie Bucket who finds a golden ticket and gets to visit Willy Wonka's factory, the biggest factory in the universe. He meets 4 other children who are all terrible, rude, selfish, self-absorbed. And it's just nice to see that as they visit the factory and see all the awesome, cool rooms, they get what's coming for them. Oh, look, haha, he falls in chocolate. Oh, she gets turned into a giant blueberry. Karma's awesome. So yeah, in the end, he gets his happy ending. He inherits the factory because he was a good boy. And then it ends. It has a great sequel if you want to check that out. It's called Charlie and the Great Glass Elevator. So anyways, yay for them. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more next week, and I'll see you then. Be sure to like and subscribe. Bye!